Translation.
You're a disgusting creature. I love cucumbers. They're like the best fruit ever.
Where is that noise coming from?
You're so gross.
How do you burp like that?
You good?
Yeah, peace.
Have a good one.
It's the crayons.
Time. Like that burp. Probably gonna edit that out. And I have the 2 donuts left.
Making this a thing now on your channel?
More burps. More burps.
More burps.
More burps from a channel.
Okay, guys. Get off of me.
Whoops. That was a Pokemon too.
Ooh, lit.
Wait. Oh no. I wanted to come hang out. Oh my god, you're.
Oh, I got one more for him. One more for you, Tahan. Nice.
Maybe you do pee in
I really have to burp.
Go ahead, let it out. This is a very
Alright.
casual vlog.
Hold on, it's coming. It's gonna be.
What happened to Nate doing Vlogmas? I just puked. Oh.
Black Ops 3.
Gotta go. Oh, you're so fat. Hey, 5 pounds, 6 pounds. I don't like to leave my couch.
Hey! You hear a clown burp? Have you?
I don't know. Ew, you're a pig. Enunciating.
Or I gotta project, I'm sorry. Listen, I'm trying to burp, I'm really
Oh,
focused.
hi.
Maddie, I got something for you to smell.
You're so gross. I feel like we should try one.
I'm hopefully gonna be doing. Sorry, I'm in the midst of it. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Pardon me.